Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your link to your LinkedIn profile. It's very simple, and there are actually two effective ways to do this. Whether you're a Shopify store owner or just getting started with LinkedIn, these tips will help you drive traffic to your store or personal website and grow your professional presence. The first way is by adding your link to your contact info. Once you're on your LinkedIn profile, just click on this blue text that says Contact Info at the top of your profile. This section is where you can showcase your website, social media links, and other professional information that you'd like your connections to easily access. From here, click on the pencil icon to edit your contact details, and then scroll down a bit. You will see an option labeled Website. Click on Add Website, and a new field will appear where you can paste the URL of your website. Now here's a pro tip. It's important to choose the right website type when you're adding your URL. If your website is your business or store, for example, choose Company. This will help visitors understand exactly what type of website you're linking to. After pasting your URL and selecting the appropriate website type, just click Save. Once saved, you'll see a confirmation that the changes were successful. Now when you refresh LinkedIn and open your contact info again, you'll see your website URL listed there for anyone visiting your profile to click on. It's a simple but effective way to get more eyes on your business or personal site. The second way is by clicking on the pencil icon again, but this time, scroll all the way down to Premium Custom Button. This option allows you to add a customizable button with your URL that appears at the top of your profile, in posts, search results, and even on your homepage. For example, if you create a post or an article on LinkedIn, people can see your URL right under your name. This is especially useful for Shopify store owners who want to increase store visibility or promote special offers directly to their LinkedIn network. One important thing to note here: you will need a premium LinkedIn subscription to use this feature. However, if you're already a premium member, it's a game changer for boosting engagement with your audience. To use it, just click on Edit Custom Button. From there, you'll have several options to choose from, such as Visit My Store, Visit My Website, or even something more specific like Shop Now for promotions or seasonal sales. In this case, I'll select Visit My Website, then paste in the URL for my website and click Done. Now there's a neat Visit My Website button right at the top of my profile. When anyone clicks it, they'll be redirected to the website or store you've linked to. This feature is great for gaining visibility, especially if you're creating posts or articles related to your business or products. It's an additional way to promote your Shopify store and get potential customers to visit your website. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to make your LinkedIn profile work even harder for you. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips and tricks on growing your business, optimizing your online presence, and making the most of platforms like LinkedIn and Shopify, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on a new video. Got any questions or want to share your own LinkedIn tips? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and keep growing your business.